If you're still manually handling HR tasks, you're probably wasting time on things that can easily be automated. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate those tasks, saving you hours each week while improving accuracy and efficiency. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial offer for the best HR automation software we're going to use today. First things first, identify the tasks you're doing manually. Whether it's employee onboarding, payroll, or performance tracking, these tasks are prime candidates for automation. Once you pinpoint these, you'll be able to streamline processes and focus on higher-level HR functions that need more attention. For tasks like payroll, automation tools can ensure that everything is calculated correctly and paid on time. Instead of manually entering data or dealing with errors, this software integrates with your existing systems, pulling in the numbers and running calculations for you. In a few clicks, you can have payroll processed automatically, saving you time and reducing errors. Another HR task that can be automated is employee onboarding. From gathering personal details to assigning training modules, this software can handle everything. You'll create an automated workflow that guides new hires through the entire process, including document signing and task completion, so that you don't have to be involved every step of the way. And then there's performance tracking. You don't need to manually enter feedback or track reviews anymore. With our software, you can set up automated reminders and track employee performance in real time, streamlining the whole evaluation process. It helps you stay on top of progress without lifting a finger, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. If you're dealing with time-off requests, this can also be automated. Employees can request time off via a simple platform interface, and approvals can be done automatically based on preset rules. The software updates the calendars and even integrates with payroll systems to ensure everything's covered and no one takes more time off than they're allowed. Now, this software we're using today covers all of this and more. You don't have to juggle multiple platforms for every HR task. With this one tool, you can automate processes from recruitment to retention. It simplifies everything and lets you focus on growing your team, not bogged down with repetitive tasks. For those of you watching who want to take action right away and start automating your HR tasks, make sure to check the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to follow along while setting everything up. To recap, automating HR tasks isn't as hard as it seems. Identify the tasks that take up your time, from payroll to performance reviews, and automate them with the right software. This will free you up to focus on the human side of HR and help you scale your operations with ease. Key takeaway: don't let manual HR tasks drain your time and energy. Automate them today and reclaim your hours for more important work. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description so you can follow along and start seeing the benefits yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to automate to elevate.